Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Just a reminder that everything shared here reflects my personal experience with the subject. Today, we're exploring the RAKBank website, found at https://rakbank.ae/wps/portal/RAKBankN. This URL directs you to the English version of the National Bank of Ras Al Khaimah's RAKBank main webpage. Navigating to this address presents users with the bank's primary online platform, providing access to a wealth of information and services. On the RAKBank homepage, individuals can expect to find key details regarding the bank's offerings, ranging from personal banking solutions like accounts and loans to business banking options and investment opportunities. Furthermore, the site likely features tools and resources designed to assist customers with their financial needs, such as online banking login portals, branch locators, contact information, and potentially even financial calculators or educational materials. Visitors can also anticipate finding information about RAKBank itself, its history, mission, and commitment to its clientele. The website structure is likely designed for ease of navigation, enabling users to quickly locate the specific information they require. Expect clear menus, prominent calls to action, and a user-friendly interface that caters to both current and prospective customers. Exploring the site further might reveal additional functionalities, such as secure messaging systems for account holders, or perhaps access to online applications for various banking products and services. Therefore, visiting https://rakbank.ae/wps/portal/RAKBankN serves as a comprehensive starting point for anyone interested in learning more about RAKBank and its offerings. It provides a digital gateway to the bank's resources, facilitating both information gathering and access to essential banking services. It is a crucial online hub for both existing RAKBank customers and those considering their options with the institution. Remember to check the description for the direct link.